Global Digital Inclusion Partnership is a multi-stakeholder partnership of organizations and institutions that are focused and committed to advancing meaningful connectivity for the global majority world.
Meaningful connectivity is really the cornerstone of what we mean by having internet access that allows for digital possibilities and opportunities. So meaningful connectivity is about having an affordable access to the internet, an affordable device. It's also about the quality of service and connectivity, being able to access the internet with a quality speed that really allows one to engage, having the appropriate digital skills. So meaningful connectivity is really also around ensuring a safe online environment.
As government moves more and more towards e-government services and delivering certain services to its citizens through digital media, it's important that we don't leave anyone behind. Gender digital divide is basically a challenge where we continue to see gender inequality in the digital space. There's far more men than women online, and this creates inequality in digital use.
Our research also showed through economic analysis that countries are on track to lose over $500 billion in the next 5 years due to women not being active and participating online and in the digital economy. Governments need to prioritize gender-responsive or even gender-transformative policies. Data and research on women is so important because it allows for evidence-based solutions, and it allows for women to really have a voice in policies and solutions. We call on countries to focus not only on integrating gender in their national strategies and plans, but ensuring gender transformative implementation.
One thing is pretty common in all of these access champions, I would call them, that whatever initiative or policy that they've tried to take, there was a stakeholder consultation behind it. By inclusive policymaking, we mean that the governments recognize the role, respect the role of all community, of all stakeholders when that policy is being formed, and then back it with solid implementation plans. And those people or those organizations that were part of that consultation, they should be a part of that implementation process as well.
Where we are all working together and leveraging this collective power that we have to help advance meaningful connectivity by having civil society, private sector, as well as government and public sector working together to focus on accomplishing this mission. The Women in the Digital Economy Fund is a new program that we are involved with, where we are co-managing YDEF with CARE as well as GSMA. YDEF is mainly focused on funding initiatives that focus specifically on closing the gender digital divide and being able to provide the funding that helps to scale this up so that we can actually begin to see the impact.
To basically empower the women to have the means, resources and means to use digital technologies and become self-sustaining organs of the society. For any project, any solution which is scalable, which is already on ground, which has a proven history of making a difference, that project or that organization can apply for wider funding.
As a partner of GDIP, we have the advantage actually of being able to support one another in these initiatives that we are working on.
Any program should be designed in close collaboration and consultation with communities, including women, to understand the context and the experience of that community.
Internet is an empowering tool, and I think all we need to do is to facilitate the process where all of us can use this technology as much as possible.
There's a very popular saying that if you want to go fast, you must go alone. But if you want to go far, you must take someone with you and other people along with you. So this approach with GDIP enables us to be able to harness the collective power of our partners. We are an organization that is walking our talk and really committed to disrupting inequalities and boldly doing so, both in our way of work as well as with how we work with everyone else globally.